How to create a broadcast channel on Instagram, 2026. Want to connect with all your followers at once through a one-way message channel directly on Instagram. Broadcast channels are one of the most powerful creator tools available right now, and in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to set one up in 2026. Step 1. Make sure your Instagram app is fully updated. Broadcast channels are only available on the latest version of Instagram, so open your App Store or Play Store, search Instagram, and hit Update if one is available before moving forward. Step 2. Open Instagram and go to your direct messages by tapping the paper airplane icon in the top right corner of your home screen. This is where broadcast channels live inside Instagram and where you will create yours from scratch. Step 3. Once inside your direct messages, tap the pencil or compose icon in the top right corner of the DM screen. A menu will appear with several options. Look for and tap Create Broadcast Channel to begin the setup process. Step 4. Give your broadcast channel a name. Choose something clear and recognizable that your followers will immediately associate with you or your content. This name will be visible to everyone who joins, so make it memorable and on brand. Step 5. Set your audience. You can choose to make your channel open to all your followers or restrict it to a specific group. You can also set an end date for the channel if you are creating it for a specific event, launch, or campaign, rather than as a permanent communication tool. Step 6. Tap Create Broadcast Channel to finalize your setup. Once created, Instagram will give you the option to share your new channel directly to your stories, so your followers can see it and join with one tap. Share it immediately to get your first members joining right away. Step 7. Once your channel is live, start posting. You can send text updates, photos, videos, voice notes, and polls directly to everyone in your channel at once. Members can react to your messages, but cannot reply publicly, keeping the channel clean and focused entirely on your content. Pro tip: pin your most important message at the top of your broadcast channel so new members who join later always see your key information first. This is perfect for sharing links, announcements, or a welcome message that gives new joiners instant context about what your channel is all about. To recap, update your app, go to direct messages, tap compose, select create broadcast channel, name it, set your audience, share it to your stories, and start posting immediately. It takes under 5 minutes to set up and gives you a direct line to every single follower who joins. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Instagram creator guides, and let me know in the comments, what is your broadcast channel going to be about? I read every reply. See you in the next one.